Hi, hello guys, good morning. It's currently 11 o'clock on the dot. Literally, I have a meeting in Maslak. I'm getting ready to leave, so I'm just wearing, I don't know if you guys can see my outfit, but I am wearing this black crop top from probably Zara. I probably got it from Zara. I always get my black crop tops from Zara, and my blue wide leg jeans and my heels, my boot heels. So I just finished with my meeting. I don't know if it went well, but I'm hoping it went well. The wind is blowing this hair up. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I need to find my way to Mejide Koi, then I'll go to Galata port because I just want to go there to relax. I feel like I need to start going out in Istanbul because I feel like I don't go out. So guys, I'm climbing hill. That's why I am sounding like I'm running for my life, but I'm on heels and I'm climbing hills. The hill. I cannot speak. The way the day just changed was exceptional. I just got back. I'm about to shower and do my nighttime routine. It's currently 7:01, like 7 p.m, but I'm going to do my nighttime routine now because I have to take a shower. I cannot just wipe my face and wash my face and then shower later in the night. The main reason why I decided to turn on my camera was to show you guys my new skincare routine. I showed you guys my new skincare products in my previous vlog. I usually use this one. This is the salicylic acid daily gentle cleanser, and I also use this advanced nail moussing gel cleanser by the same brand. Don't use serum anymore since I started using this Korean skincare, but I actually do want to use serum. I'm just afraid to mix and match. I don't know if you guys get me. I don't want to go and mix and match chemicals and my skin reacts to it, so I'm just afraid to mix and match. And for my toner, I forgot to mention my toner is the Ordinary. I recently started using it. I'm pretty sure you know about the Ordinary. I'm going to start cleaning my makeup off with this Garnier micellar water. This is what I've used for years to clean off my makeup. Oh, it's cold, it's cold. I tried to do a very light, simple makeup today. I have uploaded my makeup routine video. I'm pretty sure it should be up before you guys see this vlog because it's the video I'll upload on Wednesday. So I've uploaded it. You guys should definitely check it out. I switched up a few things with my makeup routine because I'm trying to get it as minimal as possible. Like when I apply makeup, I want to apply as minimal quantity as possible, because I just want to get to that point where I don't need so much makeup. I don't need so much makeup necessarily, but I just want my skin to clear up a bit. That's where I have problems. Now I'm going to take off my wig. I never sleep on with my wig. I don't keep my wig in for more than 1 day. This is going to be my signature hair. Literally, it's going to be my signature hair. I love the frontal. I love the fro it's giving. When I was walking outside today, I got so many stares. I was walking with my friend, and my friend said, "There's so many people staring at you." I'm like, yeah, it's the hair, it's the hair. I have an afro on, ooh, or braids, ooh, and makeup. Oh my god. Like, it's like Turkish people have never seen a black person. They keep staring. So what I do when I want to take off my frontal, if it's glued, is I like to use a rat tail comb and spray bottle. It's just my spray bottle with water and leave-in conditioner. So I just spray on the place I applied the glue and massage the water in. Please do not rip your lace front if it's glued on your hair up. Can you see? It just comes out on its own, or else you're going to lose your edges. Okay, now I actually do not need to use the rat tail comb, but I'll show you guys what I usually use the rat tail comb for. For the rat tail comb, I just take it and do this. That just helps like separate the wig from, yeah, you get the point. This is the wig. So one thing I love to do, or what I love to do with my wig, is when I take it off, I always immediately wash the lace if there's any glue on it. Even if there's no glue, I just spray water or pour water over it and then do this. Basically, I do this while pouring water on the lace. When glue stays on your lace, it gets ruined really fast, and I hate when that happens, and I hate when I want to wear the wig again and there's glue on it. It's very irritating. So I just do it immediately I take it off. Hi guys, I'm done with my facial routine. So since I started using my new set of facial products, like my Korean skincare, I have not used this exfoliator. After I showered and I was applying it, immediately I applied it, I started feeling tingling. The way I just wiped it off, I'm like, hell to the no, I'm not about to break out because I'm mixing chemicals on my face or using different acids on my face. So my face was feeling pinchy. I just like washed it off immediately. I poured water on my hair because I had to wash my edges, like rinse my edges out from the glue. And now I'm going to moisturize my hair with this oil I have here. So the oil, this is a rosemary oil bottle, but I took it finished, and I just put a little bit of this Jamaican black castor oil with rosemary in it, and I'm just going to apply that on my edges. I'm also going to like sparingly apply it on my scalp as well. My braids are getting old. I think I'll probably take them out next week because this week I don't have energy for my hair. So I'm just going to manage it until next week. I'm really learning how to cornrow my hair by myself because I just think it's more effective, and I wouldn't procrastinate washing my hair because sometimes I procrastinate washing my hair towards when I would go to SNU, so I'm able to braid my hair, but also cornrow my hair rather. But now I just do it and then cornrow it by myself. Can you see how I'm shining? Like, you know how when you see these things on Instagram and they show their skin shining, like your skin actually shines. Can you see? My skin is literally shining. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yep, so to moisturize my body, I always use this one. It's like a Vaseline with cocoa butter, or sometimes I use my shea butter mix if I'm going for like a shoot, or if I'm doing like a proper self-care day and I just want to feel moisturized, I use my shea butter mix. Hi guys, good morning or afternoon. It's almost 12 o'clock. It's like 11 something. Anyways, this pimple is still here. I don't know why it's still here. Like, how did I offend you? How? I'm about to go out. I'm going to Taksim area. I want to do a couple of things there, so I decided to just, you know, come in and check in with you guys. I don't know if I'm going to be able to record while I'm there. I highly doubt. But one of the reasons I wanted to come in and speak to you guys here is because of this golden rose gel I got. So when you open it, it's like a dark color. I don't know if you guys saw that. It's a dark color, but I already applied a bit on my eyebrow, but I just wanted to show you guys. Can you see, like, it tints up a bit, but it cannot, I don't think it can work as a tint. So this is, I tried to show you guys like the tint there. So that's like the tinted color. Face is shining. I promise you, it's the skincare. See, it doesn't make any difference. Yes, it might attach, but it's not, the shine is a glow. That's pretty much it. I wanted to just come in and check in with you. Hey guys, so I am in Taksim. Like I said, I was coming to Taksim and I got to Galata Tower. I realized I've not entered Galata Tower for the past 4 years I've been living in Turkey. I decided to enter, and guess what? I showed them my student ID, and for student ID it's like 30 lira, so they gave me this card for 30 lira, and a normal price is a normal price is 175 Turkish lira. So yeah, discount. Use your student cards, guys. Use your student card. So I'm back home. I just got back home like a few minutes ago. Today was nice. It was cool. I went to Taksim for something, and when I was done, I found myself at Galata Tower, and like you guys have seen, I decided, you know what, I'm going to enter Galata Tower because I keep procrastinating. I've been in Istanbul for about 4 years now, and I've never entered Galata Tower. Why? I don't know. Today I decided I was going to stop procrastinating and I was going to enter. Like I showed you guys earlier, for students it was 30 Turkish lira, and for regular it's 175. Regular adults is 175. I had to bring out my student card. I know I graduated about a year or two ago, but there is no way I paid school fees in this country and I'm not going to take advantage of my student card. And luckily for me, the student card doesn't have like a date, timing or anything. I just use it like that. So yeah, I actually did 2 things I've never done in Turkey and I've been wanting to do it. So I went to Galata Tower, and I also went to enter the Galata tram train, the one that passes through the Istiklal Street. Yeah, I entered it today. Who is this? Who is Glory? Who is this Glory? Exploring Glory. In the train, I was thinking to myself, what if I actually open like an Instagram account just to share my experiences of me exploring? Because this summer this next season I plan on exploring Turkey a lot, or Istanbul a lot. So do you guys want me to open like a different Instagram account so you guys can see my journey and the places I'm visiting and all of that? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, so now I'm just going to try to edit a video. I was supposed to upload a video today, but I haven't edited it, so I'm going to try to edit it so I can maybe upload it later on today or tomorrow latest. I'm pretty much going to do that, and I'll speak to you guys when I can. That's it.